Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to link WhatsApp with QR code. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to link this WhatsApp account with another phone, what you need to do is, here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Now choose link devices option. Select link or device again. It'll open up the camera icon in order to scan the QR code. Now, on the other phone, what you need to do is launch the WhatsApp app on the other phone. Select your language, tap on agree and continue. Now it will prompt you to log into your account, but here, do not provide any phone number. Instead, here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner, tap on it. And here you can see the option link as companion device, tap on it. And here you can see this QR code. Now from your previous phone, you need to scan this QR code and your WhatsApp account will be linked in both phones. So you will be able to use the same WhatsApp account on both of your phones. So that's how you can link WhatsApp with QR code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.